with the girls. We're dancing today. We're dancing to Electricity for our page, and we have a couple of other things that we're doing today as well. We've been practicing since, so guys, I didn't show you who, but anyway, see them. Okay.
Yeah, but let's just do it. Let's just, in case.
Like it will post me and then hit you. There's space your space.
But there's space.
There's space your space. You that you're by the corner.
I feel your vibration. Hey. Very good. Look at the little helpers helping us today, guys. We have some little helpers here.
I almost made a mistake. This guy correct though. The guy don't get it.
Hi. Hi. Yes. Coco. Guys, we are at location 2. We're going to be having lunch here. What's this place called? Let me show you guys. It's called Mobby's Purple Box. So we're gonna be having food, salads, smoothies, and all of that here. We're also going to create content with this outfit. We just changed. This is my outfit. Oh, this is so pretty, guys. Look at all that beading. Look at all that beading. So nice. But we're going to be creating another dance content here, and you guys can see everybody in their various boo-boos. Famished, madam. Keys. Waka waka. Keys.
What's that? Okay, wait, let me try. No, it's between all these people here.
It says all these people.
But you could be owning this place.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get it.
Please, my stomach, I cannot. Please, I can't. Oh God, hi Jesus.
By myself, asking for help.
Where's your salad? You packed it too. You're not really that hungry, Sha. Or just because you have to get home.
Yeah, can you take it?
You always make me feel like home, yeah. You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah. You're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love.
I don't know. We're breaking up. Hi guys. You're fine. You did glow. Only me I did dark.
You're looking fine too, Joe. Yeah, you need to pick me a rose. Oh. Hi guys, good morning from the city of Abuja. Okay. Anyway, today I want to go and get my microblading retouched. I was asked to come in for a retouch, and so many people have been asking me on my YouTube if I'm going to be going for a retouch and all of that. I've gotten like 2 or 3 comments, you know, asking me that. So yes, I am going in for a retouch today. And I'm also gonna get my lashes done because they gifted me a semi-permanent lash service. Yeah, they gifted me that for my birthday, and I haven't gone since July to redeem it. So I'm going there today. Yes, you guys will come along with me as always, because why are you here? You are here to follow me around. So let's go. Guys, so I just came out of the beauty clinic, and can you guys see my brows? Okay, that touch up was actually needed, and she's just amazing. Like, I am literally obsessed with the owner of this place. She's such a nice, kind, sweet person. So yeah, I just love it. And I love the lashes. I went with the hybrid cat eye lashes, and they look really nice, guys. Like, they look really nice. So right now I'm going to go and buy bole and fish for my husband. I think I showed you guys briefly one time, one of my vlogs, I was eating bole and fish, and I told you guys that hubby bought it for me. So there's this joint, he buys it, and he's literally waiting for me at home to bring this bole for him. So we shall see. I'll just go there, hopefully I can buy it. And I actually have my friend's birthday today. Today is my friend's birthday, and I just got the invite today. It's this evening. I'm hoping that I can go back home, get ready, come out again this evening. Like, I'm keeping my fingers crossed, because I'm not sure how that's going to work. It's already to 5. The thing is for like 7, so I don't know, fingers crossed. But anyway, guys, check out YBB Beauty Clinic and Salon. It's in Cappadoce Mall, the same mall that is almost opposite this Yoruba mosque in Wuse 2. Let me show you guys. Cafe Floor is also here as well. Yeah, so that's YBB up there, okay, and that's Cafe Floor below. brought my car to work.
Do you like it better when the ocean's warm? Do you like it better when you see the sun?
Tail.
Do you like it better when the sky is blue?
This is 2, right? Okay.
In a summer state of mind, baby, wasted all that time. In a summer state of mind, in a summer state of mind. Hands, put 'em in the sky and raise your hands. We ain't got no worries, only plans to make everybody dance, 'cause we can.
Okay, so I'm going home. I've gotten the bole and fish. This place is directly behind AP Plaza. AP Plaza in Wuse 2. For those who were asking me the last time, it's directly behind AP Plaza. You guys know Yahuza. There's a Yahuza behind AP Plaza. So just right after the Yahuza on the left, there are 2 bole places, but we usually buy from the very first person, and they never wronged us for one day. So anyway, let's go home. Let me see how much time I have and if I'm able to make my friend Hamsatu's birthday. Hamsatu is one of my girls that I went with to Dubai, and I really want to be there. So let me see how I can do James Bond driving now. I'm just seeing 40 minutes to my house. Traffic. The devil is a liar today. Anyway, let's go. Hi guys. Hi. Anyway, hope you guys are doing well. Today is what now? Thursday. Oh my, the last couple of days have just been somehow. See, it remains small. Make this my car just lost because my car had issues 2 days ago and it was a hassle getting it. In fact, long story, I lost my radiator cover, like the cover that you use to cover the radiator when you put water inside your car. I checked it where I was somewhere. Yes, the day I went to microblade my brows because I was hearing some funny sounds from the car, right? So when I called hubby, he said allow the car cool down. When you're done with your appointment on your way back home, check your oil, check your water first, which I usually, you know, check every now and again. So I checked my water and I checked my oil. Everything was okay, and I closed my tin, closed my bonnet, and I headed home. Somewhere along Gariki, my car stopped me in the middle of the road. My car has never stopped me ever since I bought this car. So I just knew that there was something wrong. I didn't bother opening anything. I was like, you know what, maybe that sound I've been hearing was a sign that something has gone wrong. So I just cleared, and then I called hubby, and then he came to meet me with my mechanic. By the time they opened the bonnet, I didn't even touch anything. I just sat down inside the car till they got there. By the time they opened the bonnet, they discovered that the radiator cover had fallen out. The water, all the water in the engine, all the water in the everything had dried up, and remaining small, my car would have started to overheat, and if care was not taken, it would have blown off my top gasket. Now, it just meant that time I opened my bonnet to check my water and my oil, I thought I had closed that cover properly. In my head, it was tight, but apparently I did not know that there must be a click before you know that it is fully closed. So Alma thought that the thing was tight as could be, and while I was in motion, it fell out, all the water dried up, and that is disastrous for any vehicle. Okay, so it was a good thing I just cleared. Once it stopped me, it was a good thing that I just cleared, parked the car, and put off the engine, because only God knows if I had let me manage, enter traffic, so go start going home, if I had gotten to like my house side and enter traffic and all of that, only God knows what would have happened. But imagine not having a cover for your radiator at 6:30 p.m. to 7 and driving your car home. For every 2 kilometers, I mean 1 kilometer, we will stop and pour water inside and continue, stop and pour water inside. At a point, I was even overheating. So it was a very scary experience, because getting this car home was, I had my heart in my mouth. I didn't want anything to happen to my baby Camilla. But anyway, they've worked on her, replaced the cover. That noise I was hearing, apparently it was like my fan. See, you guys, owning a car, you must get to know all of these things. So now that I have this experience, I know that when I check my water again, if I don't hear that click, I will not even close the bonnet safe. until I hear that click before I close the bonnet. So yeah, that was something that happened 2 days ago. I was carless for like a whole day and I had like meetings and stuff, so I had to like bolt around, and it was so strange bolting around because it's been a long time I did that, you know. But anyway, that is not why I'm here dressed in pink. Okay, I'm here dressed in pink because we are having a rainbow picnic. So Tengu, my friend Tengu of Moms That Brunch, is organizing a rainbow picnic today. I'm sure you guys would have seen this on Instagram. It's like a trend or a challenge going on. So everybody comes dressed in colors, and all that you bring has to be those colors. So I am pink, as you can see. In fact, we all have our partners, so I have a pink partner as well. So you're meant to like wear this. So I'm wearing pink, and all the things I'm bringing for the picnic are pink colored. Do you guys get? So we have somebody bringing yellow, we have 2 people who are doing yellow, 2 doing green, 2 doing blue, 2 doing red, like that. You get? So that's the plan for today. I'm actually not very happy because I just stopped right in front of the place that I ordered cupcakes. I ordered pink cupcakes. I even got here a bit late so that they will have everything ready for me, and I get here and it's not ready. So I have to leave, and they will end up delivering it to Millennium Park. That's where we are having the picnic. But down there you guys can see that I have my pink basket with some pink stuff. So I have some Rubicon, I have Hollandia pink, I have some stick ice cream as well. I hope this thing has not melted though, because don't melt finish, but it's all good. But you guys get the drill, shot. So together with my pink cupcakes, you know, we are good to go. All right, so that's that, guys. You guys go along with us. It's going to be a very colorful day, and yeah, let's go. I love my look today. I'll show you guys what my dress looks like when I get there. We are here, guys. This is my pink. My partner is not here yet, but look at our setup. How beautiful is that? Twins in yellow. Oh, that's how I forgot my MP3 speaker. Jesus. Twins in blue. Hey. Deca in brown. When the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going. Like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation. Figure it's in the season. Shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Something like you ice in my stomach. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Something like you ice in my stomach. We not like me. We not shine bright like royalty. We not sticky, but they are guilty. And why? So kind of neck is stolen. You been waiting on me to solve it for me. And last weekend you had me thinking, oh, must get in and let my head up like bum bum bum. You're meant to be jumping. The fastest wins. Another piece against rubbish. Hey. Who else is doing? Holy. Eat it. Hey. With your face. That's how much fun it is. That's how it's supposed to be. That's the fun. I remember my brother's wedding. Oh my God. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's go.
You can do it.
Even the boom cannot pass. Oh yeah, pass. Hi, Mama. Hey. Having snacks. Pringles. Donuts. Where's your juice? Yeah. What? The juice is going to pour? Uh-oh, why is it pouring?
Because I can't drink like that.
You can't drink like that. Is that so? So should I get something to clean it? Uh-oh. It's pouring, oh yeah, right.
Everyone falls over when they have steak. Even I fall. Daisy.
No.
Why can't you children ever stay in one place? Why is it I don't know how to just sit down in one place and watch TV? Why must you jump and do all these things? Eh? Why? I forgot to actually show you guys that we enlarged this Mia's picture. This was her 3rd birthday shoot. And we actually enlarged it. So hubby placed it here next to my maternity photo. I didn't show you guys, so I just remembered that I did not show you guys this. It's so cute. Like, look at my baby though. Look at my baby. Look at my baby. So the photo that was here before, her 1-week-old photo, we now moved it to this corner next to the TV console, right? So that's what we did. Look at her. Oibo. But yeah, I love this so much. Like, I'm obsessed. I am so obsessed. I love it. What? I'm just showing them your photos. You and this your Peppa Pig that you're always watching.
Baby,